guys, we are at Webfoot, and it is looking pretty good for the morning tomorrow. We got north wind. We got our specs decoys all ready, so we can use those now. But you guys can't, and of course now there's a train. You guys can't hear it, but I'm almost positive I hear ducks over on the water, so that's really good. I'm gonna get inside. I gotta get all my film and stuff ready, and then I mean I'll see you guys in the morning. But yeah, it's gonna be good. We're gonna be here all weekend, and then tomorrow we're going to the DU dinner, so I'm gonna film there, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace, guys. Okay, guys, so we are out here now. We're kind of in a rush. There's birds flying around, so I'm gonna make this quick. We got all the decoys set. We're ready. There's another guy coming. Yeah, let's just get right into this. I had to film, but we're kind of in a rush, so I'm gonna get to filming and get ready. So here we go.
They're all behind us. Get ready, they're gonna be right front. Kill them. Yep. Oh boy. Watch.
That was a cleanup.
Those are lively. No, that one's going. Left side. I lost him. They swung all the way behind us. Yeah, they were going back around. And there's two, that might be Canadian. Kill him.
I got that one.
Kill him.
Right here, kill him.
Kill him.
It's a northeast wind, they're going to be coming right this way. So we have to push these back. They can make a slight where these are. Back behind these weeds.
Watch that one right here.
Oh, dude, he freaking hit the ground hard.
You always hit hard, Mike.
Jay, we gotta go for that one. Okay, guys, so we got that spec and that one. That one's got those nice bars on them. That one's only got one really big one. But that one's really nice looking.
Kidding, like somebody from Hollywood. Hey, Robert Redford comes with this camera. Oh boy, if you're gonna video, never the comment section below.
What's the cottontail rabbit pelt on top too?
Okay, guys, so we're now going to be going back to the cabin for a little bit. I think we have 7 right now and 2 specs, so that's pretty good. But we're going to come back out tonight, hunt a little bit, and then we have to go to a little DU dinner. So I'm going to film at that, but we're going to get back, have some snacks, watch the game, and then we're going to come back out here. So I'll see you guys once I come back out here. So We are out here now. It is windy as hell right now, and there's snow pelting us in the face, but there's birds everywhere right now. So I'm gonna make this really short, and we gotta get in and just wait for the birds to come. And there's birds right there, so I'll see you guys. Well, you guys are gonna see us shooting some birds right now. Here we go. Sorry, I couldn't do anything. Nice shot too. Dude, nice job. Yes, that was insane.
We're on the scoreboard back.
Yes.
Dude, he went right downwind and just turned with.
Dude, and you stoned the crap out of him. Well, guys, this evening hunt.
Dad on the phone
And tell
him if he hasn't left the cabin to go in my closet and grab a couple boxes of shells.
Okay. Gotta call up, get some more shells. Make sure we got enough for everyone. Hope you guys saw that on video. Have you left? Okay, where are they, Jay?
In my closet.
In his closet. He needs some more shells. We already shot one.
Two
goose.
boxes. There's a case
Two
laying
boxes.
on the floor.
There's 2 boxes, okay?
Oh, there's a case.
Oh, it's a case, but there's
Just
2.
grab 2 boxes.
Just get 2 boxes in the closet.
Yeah.
See you out here. That's
Oh shit, ducks.
more.
Right here.
This is crazy. But we gotta remember we have these birds.
Yeah, I know. Make sure this, oh, there's a single from the right.
Yeah, there's about 5 straight out. But they're trying to go in the corn, I think. That's a big goose.
Yeah, it is big.
Nice size one. And you stoned him.
Dude, he cupped so hard right there.
I didn't even see him. I just heard him honk
He
one
was
time.
going that way, and then he just went. It was like he saw him immediately.
Am I blinking red?
Yeah.
Thank God I got that on video.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Dude, it's gonna be.
That's the replay smash
Yeah,
shot
it's like
right
boom.
there.
It's like the slow mo, then the extra slow mo,
Yeah, yeah.
and then the real one.
Can't believe
And a
you
nice
had that all
freaking
going
shot.
fast.
We literally jumped in, and there.
Yeah,
That's insane. It's because of this shitty
Yeah.
weather right now.
that's my view.
I don't know.
You might have been.
What is up, guys? We are now at the dinner, the Ducks Unlimited dinner, and I'm gonna go inside. They just ran off without me, but I'm gonna be going inside. It's gonna be a little awkward filming in there, but let's get over there. A lot of people are here, but we're gonna get inside and I'll film some of the cool stuff in there. So I'm gonna get inside.
And is it?
I'm doing great. How can I help you? Popo. Would you like to video it?
Oh, you ready for me? Okay.
Anyway, aren't.
Oh, look at that English scraper, dude. Where's that at?
What's underneath that? Hunt, I'm assuming?
Because he wants it. And there is our spot right. There's our spot right there.
Here 5 minutes and now
Okay, guys, so we are inside now, and we are just looking at this map of all the places. But there is waterfowl stuff all over behind me. It's pretty loud, but we were looking at all the silent auction stuff and seeing some pretty cool stuff like that sign over there. But we're gonna get over there, sit down, eat probably. I'll show you guys what we're gonna eat here. It's pretty cool, and then we're gonna do the bidding and just see what's going on. I'm just gonna kind of vlog through this, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll see you guys in it. So in the comment section below, tell me what that is right there. It looks like a spoonie, but not the right colors.
Look at that snow goose go.
Yeah, so guys, this right here is my new, we're getting it tonight, my new gun for snow geese, so I'm going to be copping that tonight. Nice cryptic on it. How many shells? That thing, 15?
Really? Yeah. And glasses.
That's a nice gun. Right there, or number 5, I guess. Somewhere over there. That's pretty cool. We just found this in the corner. So here, number 5. It's pretty cool. This one on the map. Nice to green.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right borders it. Yeah.
That's cool. We are at our table, and we just did all the silent auction stuff, so we're going to see if we got any of that later. But right now we're just waiting for our dinner to come. It's super loud in here, so you probably can't hear me good. But we just did all that. We got a guy back home who's telling us to bid on stuff, so we might get some stuff. But right now we're just waiting for dinner to happen, so I guess I'll see you guys when dinner happens. So right now we're going for that right there, and we're also going to go for that flag that's right up there. Well, our food is here now. We just got done eating actually, and we are just like hanging out now basically. And basically what we're gonna do after this. Wait, hold up, just saw this. This painting right here has lights in it. That's one of the coolest things ever. But I actually like that a lot. But so it's about done here, but we're gonna see if we got any of our stuff right here. I actually won a flag over there, so at least we got something. And I just noticed outside the ground is covered with snow, and so that's gonna be fun. But we're gonna get done with this. I'll show you if we got anything, and then yeah, that's gonna be basically the video. Yeah, so we just got that one. We just got that. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna use those up at the cabin. Okay, guys, so we are done now, and I'm sorry for all the audio in that those last few clips. It was so loud in that dinner, and I probably should have took that mic off so you could have maybe just heard me. But it was very fun. We got those signs. We got 2 flags. So he got one, I got one. His has a stain. We're gonna try to fix it. But other than that, it was really fun. The hunting was awesome. I loved it. I hope you guys liked it also. But yeah, I'm gonna link ducks down in the description. See, little character, a little blood on this. But I've had this for a while, so you guys can cop this in the description below and this hat. So go down there to get that stuff, and they have new stuff coming out right now actually. And yeah, that's gonna be really the video. Thank you for watching, and there's going to be a video coming up right after this this coming weekend, and it's going to be a banger. We got 30 to 40 mile an hour winds and snow, so it's looking like it could be good, but I'm not going to say too much about that, and I will see you guys in another Tightline Outdoors video. Peace.